Hey there, crypto curious. Ever looked at Coinbase and wondered if you could dive into the world of crypto without dragging your old, dusty bank account into the mix? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're peeling back the layers on this question: can I actually use Coinbase without linking a bank account? Let's find out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Coinbase, crypto, bank accounts, it sounds like a complex puzzle. But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple, easy to understand pieces. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's dive in. First things first, Coinbase is a popular platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. It's like a digital wallet, but way cooler. And while it's true that linking a bank account is a common way to fund your crypto purchases, it's not the only way. There are actually a few other options. Option 1, debit cards. Yep, you heard it right. You can use your trusty debit card to buy crypto on Coinbase. It's like buying that new pair of sneakers online, but instead of shoes, you're getting Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of those other fancy crypto names. Just remember, your bank might slap on some extra fees, so keep an eye out for those sneaky charges. Option 2, selling crypto for fiat. If you already have some crypto lying around, you can sell it on Coinbase and convert it to fiat currency. Fiat is just a fancy term for regular money like dollars, euros, or pounds. Once you've got that fiat cash in your Coinbase account, you can withdraw it to a digital wallet or even request a paper check. Option 3, Coinbase Earn. Now, this one is a bit like finding hidden treasure. Coinbase often runs programs called Coinbase Earn where you can learn about different cryptocurrencies and earn small amounts of them for free. It's like getting paid to learn, and you don't need a bank account for that. But wait, there's more. While you can use Coinbase without a bank account for buying and selling crypto, there are some limitations. For example, withdrawing larger amounts of fiat currency might require additional verification, which could involve linking a bank account. And let's not forget about security. Keeping your crypto safe is super important, so consider using a hardware wallet for extra protection. So, can you use Coinbase without a bank account? The short answer is yes, but it depends on what you want to do. If you're just dipping your toes into the crypto world and want to explore different coins, you can definitely get started without linking your bank. But if you plan on buying large amounts of crypto or withdrawing significant sums of fiat, you might need to take the bank account plunge. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so things can change. Always do your own research and stay updated on the latest news and regulations. And most importantly, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto hunting.